A lot of times when I talk with my clients about risk avoidance, I hear that they think, well, you get a lawsuit for no good reason. And so far, I believe I have showed with you that we have a couple of good reasons why lawsuits were initiated. Because if you get a cut finger or if you have a burning phone in your pocket, this is certainly a problem. For those of you who are gamers, you may know Pokémon GO. Pokémon GO is a game which allows you to hunt virtual monsters in the real world. And starting in the summer of 2016, there were millions of Pokémon GO installations. The topic is the Pokémon GO game. And during the gaming, the Pokémon GO, or somebody was trying to haunt a monster, we had accidents. We actually had two men who fell down while they are playing Pokémon GO on a steep hill. Interesting enough, as of today, we have not seen any lawsuit filed against the manufacturer of Pokémon GO. Why do we see that there was no litigation filed against Pokémon GO? Because Pokémon GO implemented certain strategies that the game would not be able to activate it if you are driving in a certain speed. And it doesn't matter whether you are a passenger or a driver, because even if you're a passenger and you're telling the driver, go over there, drive over there, go there, it could well be that this is distracting for the driver. So therefore, the implementation of safety in Pokémon GO may have prevented any lawsuits filed against Pokémon GO. If you know of any Pokémon GO lawsuit which we have not been able to track on our end, let me know. I'd love to hear that. The strategy of having the best advice is to have the best security, the best safety measures. That's a risk which you believe as a manufacturer will happen is not made real. So whether you see on streets in the future, don't Pokemon and drive, don't TikTok and drive, or don't do whatever it is and drive, is certainly the case. A couple of days ago, we have heard that a Tesla driver was caught sleeping in Canada, and I wonder how this will lead into any future litigation at this time again. It is too early to say, but the best advice for you as a company, for you as a business owner is to have the proper warning labels and the proper strategy.